This tutorial shows you how to share photos to your feed. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. After that, tap on the plus icon in the top left corner. From there, select Post from the options. At this point, choose the photo you want to upload from your gallery. In the next step, tap Next in the top right corner. Following this, you can apply filters or edit your photo by tapping on the filter icons. Once done, tap Next again to proceed to the caption screen. From here, write your caption, add hashtags, and tag people if you want. At this stage, you can also add a location by tapping Add Location. After this, tap Share in the top right corner to post your photo. Once completed, your picture will be live on your Instagram feed for your followers to see. And that's it! If this Instagram posting guide helped you share your photos, give it a like, subscribe for more Instagram tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one!